Let me show you 9 boring but high-paying remote jobs that are always hiring. The truth is, most of what you see about making money online is complete BS. Passive income promises? Mostly scams. Those get-rich-quick side hustles? Just bait to sell you a course. But what if you don't want to be an online CEO or start some sketchy hustle? You just want a simple, legit work-from-home job you can do alone, even at night? That's exactly what I've got for you. And the best part? They can't fill these jobs fast enough. Let's get into it. Number 1, Respondent. Paid research. Let's be real. Some survey apps pay you like 50 cents for 50 minutes of work. I've tried them, and trust me, it's a waste of time. But Respondent is completely different. In this role, you participate in market research studies for top companies. The tasks are simple, you don't need prior experience, and the pay is solid, averaging around $75 per study. Plus, it's legit. These aren't random websites. They're working with companies like GoDaddy, Microsoft, and IBM. You can get paid instantly to your PayPal account. No waiting months or dealing with gift cards. Respondent posts roughly 4,000 new studies each month and pays out over $300,000 monthly. So there's plenty of opportunities to earn. Skills. Needed. Willingness to give feedback. Good communication, basic tech. Pros. High pay for simple work. No experience needed, flexible. Schedule. Instant PayPal payouts. Cons. Not. A full-time career won't replace a main job limited availability, depending on studies. Opportunity. Score. 8 from 10. It's a legit side income, easy to set up in about 10 minutes and perfect for anyone looking to earn extra money in their spare time. 2. Funeral sales specialist, the recession-proof career now. For one of the most underrated jobs out there, funeral sales specialist. Yes, it may sound uncomfortable, maybe even morbid, but this industry is truly recession-proof. After all, just like taxes, death isn't going away. In this role, you'll be selling funeral packages remotely. That might mean working with funeral homes or helping families plan arrangements in advance. And the best part, you can do all of it from home. It's a little like event planning, only for a very different kind of event. The pay starts around $53,000 and can climb to $100,000 to $50,000 per year with commissions. And since few people are interested in working in this industry, there's very little competition. In fact, one funeral sales rep on Reddit shared that they made over $100,000 their first year simply by being compassionate, not pushy with families. Skills. You'll need include high levels of empathy, sales ability, but in a gentle way. Strong communication skills, emotional resilience. Pros. Strong commission potential, steady demand, and almost no competition. Cons. Emotionally draining, mentally tough, and requires thick skin. I'd rate this role a 9 out of 10 because the demand is huge, but most people overlook it. 3. WordPress support technician, the website. Superhero. Let's start with a role that keeps the internet running smoothly. WordPress support technician. Whenever a small business website crashes at 3 a.m., someone has to be there to fix it. That could be you. In this job, you'll troubleshoot broken plugins and themes, repair websites that go down, help businesses get their online presence back on track. Think of it like being an IT superhero, swooping in to save the day whenever a site goes down. The pay starts at about $40,000 for beginners and can climb to $80,000 a year with experience. Skills needed. Strong WordPress knowledge, basic HTML and CSS problem-solving abilities, a customer service mindset. Pros, flexible hours, high demand, and a pathway to starting your own web support business. Cons, emergency calls at odd hours, keeping up with constant updates and occasional stressful fixes. Overall, I'd give this one a 9 out of 10. WordPress powers over 43% of all websites, so if you know how to manage it, you'll never run out of work. 4. Documentation writer, the chaos organizer. Next up is a job for people who love structure and organization, documentation writer. Here, your work revolves around creating internal guides and SOPs, standard operating procedures, for big companies. Basically, you're bringing order to corporate chaos by documenting workflows and processes. Think of it like being the Marie Kondo of the business world, except instead of tidying closets, you're organizing information. The pay is excellent, starting at $60,000 and going all the way up to $130,000 annually. Key skills, clear writing, ability, organizational skills, process mapping, knowledge, interviewing, and gathering information. I knew a pharmacy tech who switched to this career during the pandemic. She now makes double her old salary, completely from home. Pros, high income, stable hours, and strong demand. Cons, repetitive tasks, frequent revisions, and lots of meetings. This one gets an 8 out of 10 for opportunity because businesses constantly need it, and the pay is far above average. 5. User manual writer. Text boring. Goldmine. Finally, for this part, let's talk about a job that feels dull but pays well. User manual writer. Yes, someone has to create those long instruction manuals that most people skip, and it could be you. In this role, you'll write step-by-step documentation for products, services, and software, break down complex ideas into simple explanations, work remotely in complete peace and quiet. Think of it like being the translator between engineers and everyday people. Entry-level salaries start at $54,000 and can go up to $92,000. Skills you'll need: excellent writing ability, patience, and precision technical knowledge. Basic level is fine. Extreme attention to detail. Users on Glassdoor actually got into this career with no background, just by completing a technical writing course and building a small portfolio. They now earn between $55,000 to $65,000 a year, working only around 25 hours a week. Pros: steady workflow, independent work, and strong demand in tech. Cons: repetitive tasks, strict deadlines, and requires very sharp focus. Overall, I'd give this one a 7 out of 10. The work isn't glamorous, but because so few people want to do it, competition is low and pay is steady. 6. Actuary, the fortune teller. With a calculator, let's start with one of the highest paying roles on this list: actuary. Actuaries are basically financial fortune tellers. Instead of predicting the weather, they predict the odds of bad financial events happening. In this role, you'll analyze risks for insurance companies, build financial models, and calculate probabilities that help organizations avoid losses. It's sort of like the movie The Big Short, but far less exciting and with way more spreadsheets. Salaries here start at $80,000 a year and can climb up to $150,000 plus bonuses, especially once you rack up certifications. According to Investopedia, actuaries spend most of their time creating models and crunching numbers, making them some of the few professionals who actually use advanced math in their daily careers. Skills you'll need include strong math and statistics, mastery of Excel, advanced problem solving, analytical thinking. Pros: excellent pay, respected profession, and a very stable career path. Cons: difficult certification process, repetitive tasks, and heavy mental workload. I'd rate this one a 9 out of 10. The demand is high, pay is outstanding, and there's very little competition because most people don't want to tackle the math required. 7. Database administrator, the digital vault guardian. Next is a career that proves data really is the new oil. Database administrator, DBA. In this role, you maintain and protect company databases, making sure data is both secure and accessible. It's like being a bank vault manager, but instead of guarding stacks of cash, you're safeguarding valuable information. Entry-level pay starts at around $101,000 and can reach $103,000 a year with experience. On top of that, this role opens the door to other specialized, high-paying positions down the road. Skills you'll need include SQL and database management, security awareness, problem-solving skills, adaptability, and constant learning. One of my viewers actually landed this job with just a certification and minimal experience, and they're now earning 6 figures remotely. They started with the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. Pros: high salary, strong job security, and regular work hours. Cons: occasional on-call duties, heavy responsibility, and constant upskilling. I'd rate this role a 9.5 out of 10. It's one of the best opportunities out there. Critical work, excellent pay, and demand that just keeps rising. Next, lead management coordinator. The sales traffic controller. Here's one that's much easier to break into: lead management coordinator. Every company has incoming sales leads, and someone needs to make sure they're tracked, followed up on, and don't fall through the cracks. That's your job. Think of it like being an air traffic controller for sales. Pay starts at around $56,000 and can go up to $93,000 with experience, plus commission opportunities. Skills needed include organization, CRM, customer relationship management tools, communication, basic sales knowledge. Pros: a clear career path, remote work friendly, and always in demand. Cons: sales pressure, multitasking stress, and a fast-paced environment. The best part? It's relatively easy to get started. Even with no experience, you can build credibility by freelancing, taking small gigs, or even volunteering to generate real-world examples. This one gets a 7 out of 10. The demand is high, but competition is more moderate since it's easier to enter. 9. Taxonomy specialist. The data librarian of the digital age. Here's one of the most unusual sounding titles: taxonomy specialist. In this position, you're basically a modern-day librarian, except instead of shelving books, you're organizing massive amounts of digital data. You'll design systems to classify and categorize information for large companies. Starting pay is around $73,000 and can reach $118,000 annually. Skills you'll need include analytical thinking, organization, attention to detailed database knowledge. This is one of those hidden treasure jobs in data. I even saw a Reddit post from a 19-year-old who landed this role with no degree, simply by showing initiative and building technical skills. That person is now making six figures just organizing digital information. Pros: very high salary potential, growing demand, relatively low stress. Cons: monotonous at times, requires ongoing learning, and advancement is limited compared to other data roles. Overall, I'd give this one a 9 out of 10. Data is exploding in every industry, and companies desperately need people who can make sense of it all. And that wraps up 9 boring but high-paying remote jobs that are always hiring. If you're serious about working from home, making six figures, and building a stable remote career, then hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos on the best remote jobs, online careers, and high-income side hustles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.